I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm really excited about what Sam and Ashley have in store because I feel like with the finances and with organizing our garage, those are things that benefit the family, but I'm personally really excited about working with people who can help take the way I present myself from tired and dowdy to maybe a little bit more chic and put together.
Hey, Kathy.
Hey, Ashley.
Hi. How are you? It's all about Emily today. I mean, we get to really do her up, a great cut, and a great makeup.
While you're doing this, I'm going to head out and start putting some outfits together for you. I'll be right back.
Love it.
Have fun. Love with your outfits.
We'll see you. When Emily walks out of Tangled today, she's going to have a fresh new look and really feel better about herself, and I know Scott's going to love it too.
She's kind of stuck in neutral with the style, and I'd really like to see her kind of define who she wants to be as kind of, modern mommy, so that she actually feel good about herself and then kind of move forward from there.
When Emily rolls up to that house, Scott is going to fall on the floor. She's going to look feminine, pretty, refreshed, and simplified.
Are you nervous about the makeover?
I'm going to keep an open mind, but I'm hoping
What would you like to see? Yeah, what would you like?
Kind of a mix, a little bit more feminine, a little more sexy for some of those things.
A little more updated.
I was trying to think when the last time that Emily had really gotten dressed up. Maybe her sister's wedding 4 years ago or so.
I can't wait to see her. She's going to look fabulous. When we drove off,